You can see we now have the Fantom mainnet network connected, so we can switch. Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add the Fantom network to MetaMask. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up your MetaMask. Then you want to click your profile picture on the top right, so click that. Then you want to click the most bottom option, which is settings, so click settings. Then you want to click networks, it's below alert, so networks, click networks. Then you want to click add network, so click this blue button, add network, and this should open up a new tab. So now you want to go to this website, so this link will be the first link in the description, and it's basically an official guide on how to add it. So you just want to go down to this part where it has a bunch of values you want to put in. So if we go back to the new tab, MetaMask opened for us, so it's this one. It will ask for 5 things: network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. So here it gives the value of what we should put in all 5 of those values. So for example, network name is Fantom Opera. I will copy that and paste the network name, and basically I want to do this for all of it. So I want to click this and here, and then chain ID 250. I want to copy this, and currency symbol is FTM, and last but not least, the block URL explorer. I just want to click on it and wait for it to go here and copy this link in my search bar, then paste it here. Then once you double check anything, make sure everything is correct, you want to click the blue save button. So click the blue save button, and if we open up our MetaMask extension, you can see we now have the Fantom mainnet network connected, so we can switch between different networks. So I can switch to the Ethereum mainnet, and I can switch back to the Fantom network. And this is my Fantom address, so I can copy it, I can paste it, I can give this to people. So if people want to send me Fantom, I'll give this address, they can send it to it and I'll get it. And I can also send to other addresses. So if I want to add Fantom, if I have Fantom here, I can send it to other address. You just want to paste the address in here, and I can also buy Fantom directly from MetaMask. I mean, not directly, using other third-party stuff, but yeah. So that's basically it. If this video taught you something new or you learned something new, please like and subscribe. Also, check out my Ethereum NFT collection called CryptoTigers. The website is CryptoTigers.club, and the link will also be in the description. Check out the website for much more information, such as what the NFT collection is and how I created it. NFT minting is also available. Have a good day. Goodbye.